Good morning, students. How are you? This is your teacher Afreen, your science teacher. Okay, let's start with the date. Today is Tuesday, 14th April 2020. Come on, take out your learner's book, page number 36 and 37. The unit is 4.2 and our topic is using materials. Okay, today we are going to study some difficult words. So the number one is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Number two, soft. S-O-F-T, soft. S-O-F-T, soft. Number three, flexible. F-L-E-X-I-B-L-E. F-L-E-X-I-B-L-E, flexible. Number four, hard. H-A-R-D, hard. H-A-R-D, hard. Number five, material. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material. And number six is see-through. S-E-E-C-T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. See-through. S-E-E-C-T-H-R-O-U-G-H, see-through. Strong, soft, flexible, hard, material, see-through. These are the difficult words of today's work. Number one is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. What is strong materials? Strong materials means the materials which we cannot break easily, which cannot we bend easily, and we cannot change the shape of these strong material easily. Now look at the screen. There are the three pictures of strong materials. Number one is key, another one is car, and the third one is a hockey stick. So if we want to change the shape of these three pictures, we cannot change the shape of any one of these easily. We cannot break them easily. We cannot bend them easily. Bend means something can be turned easily down, or something can be turned up easily. So we cannot change the shape, we cannot break them easily. So these are the strong materials. Number two is soft. S-O-F-T, soft. What are the soft materials? Soft materials means a material whose shape we can change easily, we can break them easily, and we can turn them up or down easily. Now look at your screen. There are the three pictures of soft materials. First one is plastic bags. Next one, the books are there, and the third one, there is a girl wearing a dress. So the plastic bags, the books, the fabric, these are the soft materials, because if we want to cut them easily, we can. If we want to turn them up down, we can do. And if we want to if we want to change the shape of these materials, we can change them. So these are the soft materials examples. Now next one is flexible. F-L-E-X-I-B-L-E, flexible. What are the flexible materials? On your screen you can see there are different examples of flexible materials. What are the flexible materials? Flexible materials means an object that can bend easily, and when we are bending it down and when we are leaving it, it can return to its original shape. Okay, so these are the examples of flexible materials. You can see rubber band, belt, our dresses, and metal wires. If we are turning it down, it will turn easily, and when we will leave it, it will be returned to its original shape. So these are the flexible materials. Okay, now the next picture is hard. H-A-R-D, hard. H-A-R-D, hard. What are the hard materials? Hard materials means the material whose shape we cannot change easily, and the materials which we cannot break easily, we cannot cut easily, they are called the hard materials. You can see on your screen there are different examples of hard materials. There is a wood piece, stone, ceramic, mug, ice, diamond, glass, bricks, plastic and metal. Screw pana is there. So we cannot cut them easily, we cannot break them easily, we cannot change the shape of these all materials. So these are the examples of hard material. The next material is see-through. SEECTHROUGH. See-through. See materials are those materials through which we can see the both side, in the both side. Like you can see there is a window, so from outside we can see inside, and from inside we can see outside. So window is made up of glass. This is an example of see-through, and on your screen there are different examples of see-through materials. See-through, we can use another word, transparent. Okay, so you can see there is ice, water, diamond, glass. So these are the examples of see-through or transparent materials. Now your homework is write and learn all the work. What is the work? Today you learn 6 difficult words. So you have to write them in your notebook and you have to learn their spellings. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.